Today I'm here with my son. We're actually going to be reviewing the
Target baby box.
The Target welcome bag that comes when you sign up for the registry. So do you want to show them what we have? So
first we have this natural baby bottle. So you can put the milk in there and then go like, and then drink the milk.
So now, next thing we have in this bag is another baby bottle, but this one is for older babies. This one is the Dr. Brown's colic reducer. It has 8 ounces.
Yeah.
Cool. What else?
Next up are Pampers Mom to Be Registry gift.
Let's see what it has.
There's also coupons inside.
Ooh, coupons. You want to open it to see what else it has?
So these are the stuff. These are the coupons in the back.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the thing.
And let's see. If we open it, this is a little baggie, like you can stuff in your diaper bag. And it comes with more coupons.
Oh.
A newborn baby diaper.
Oh, so it's like a diaper.
Yeah. And a sample of 6 wipies. Pampers type wipies.
These are a lot of coupons.
Mm-hmm. What else does it come with? Let's see. Check it out. A binky.
Binky. It's Nook. It has a panda on the bottom.
Nice. And it's from 0 to 6 months?
Oh, yeah. 0 to 6 months.
Nice.
Can we open it?
No. So the next thing that comes with it is this little sample box of Honest diapers.
1 diaper.
It comes with actually 2 diapers. It's just their size 1. Size 1, 2 diapers, and 10 wipies.
Because wipey is like, they last less.
Yeah, definitely. So 10 wipies and 2 diapers. Size 1.
Oh, they have like little designs on them.
Check it out.
Like, one is like stars.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, one is giraffes and the other one's pandas.
Nice. What else? Oh, look. It's a tiny little sample of Palmer's Stretch Mark Lotion.
There is Aveno Baby. Well, oops. Aveno Baby Lotion. And Baby Dove Tip to Toe Wash.
Nice.
More like shampoo and stuff.
A sample of Lancino.
Again.
Yeah, we get this in all the bags that we've reviewed. They're very prevalent. Like all of the boxes and bags, like baby boxes and bags, they have them. So it's awesome because these are 2 breast pads.
Yeah, and they're like in every baby box, so we get a lot of breast pads.
Yeah. And 2 breast milk storage bags.
And we also get a lot of those because every time.
Yeah. What else?
There is diapers. Size 1, 2 diapers. Like the other one should have 4 diapers.
What brand are they? Target?
Yeah. Because it's a Target baby box.
Oh yeah.
They don't have anything special on them. They just say 1 and 1.
And then they just have a whole bunch of coupons. They have an Aquaphor little sample lotion. This is advanced therapy for dry and cracked irritated skin. A little sample of moisturizing daily lotion from Baby Ganix.
There's also a sample.
Yeah, a little tiny sample of Baby Ganix moisturizing daily lotion. Yeah. Okay, so that was the Target registry welcome bag.
If you go to our other video, we also have a huge other box.
Yeah, we have a lot of videos that we're reviewing for baby products. So if you want to see how to get this Target welcome bag, just go into our description and you can see step by step how to get this really cool bag. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
We'll see you next time. Bye.